So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So today, finally, it has given a very good reversal from the lows and we have seen 5% upper circuit in the stock and the current price is around 70 rupees. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed what are the major support regions both on daily chart and weekly chart, and we have found that 60 rupees is one of the strong support region and today's day low was around 63. So around a gap of 3 rupees the stock has given some positive reversal. So we'll discuss what are the next possible targets and what would be the next regions we need to focus. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group because any update, both technically and fundamentally, I'll try to update there so that you can also take instant actions. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so this was the chart that I've updated in the Telegram group mentioning all the possible support level of BCG. So there are many questions related to many stocks I receive in the YouTube comment section that they're asking about why the stocks are showing the correction. So obviously any stock will show correction when they're giving more than 50-60% returns, right? So no stock shows continuous upside momentum. So any stock going like that will fall in the same way. So when market especially is facing little bit of hurdle and mid caps and small caps, when they're showing little bit of correction, so you need to wait patiently. You need to hold the stock. You need to search for average opportunities. So that time only you can generate a wealthy returns. So you should have that patience. So don't worry that loss is increasing. So loss will be present if you're entering at a very high level with very high quantities. So obviously little loss would be present, but you need to hold an average so that you can nullify that and you can consistently hold it for long term. So develop that attitude. So next we'll try to discuss the day-to-day wise deliveries of BCG and after that we'll go to the charts. Okay, so if we observe the day-to-day wise deliveries, we can see almost 4 to 5 days we have seen a continuous downtrend because market was also a little volatile and still the same pattern is continuing, but today we have seen some very good positive momentum in Nifty. And Bank Nifty, even though it was little flat because of the major quarter results of the banking sector, so Nifty is showing a very good upside momentum. So on 25th October, if we see the delivery percentage, it is around 49.5 and in the last 3 sessions, we have seen more than 50% deliveries. So we can clearly observe that at each and every level, many people are searching for average. So they're not trying to book short-term profits and the same way nobody is willing to exit in loss. So who will have loss? So who have taken above 80 rupees. So everybody is developing that sort of attitude and today volume also has increased very well and whatever the stock after touching the day low, it has gone into upper circuit. Okay, so this is a very simple reason. So deliveries are also very consistent. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so first if I try to observe the weekly chart, you can see almost 70 rupees is the level of BCG and if we see this was the basic support that I was talking, which was 60. So earlier, whatever the reason I told, because it was a resistance, so now obviously it will become the support. So there almost with 3 rupees difference, whatever I told, 60 rupees was the level, but possibly from the day low was 63. You need to think technically at this point of time. If it goes below 60, then obviously the support will be breaking, right? So that's why you need to think that 63, since it is the day low for today, so obviously it should start retracing from the current level. So this is one logic you need to remember. Okay, so now since we can take 60 as a very strong supports in the coming sessions also, so keep that in radar. So that is only the one support in near term, and coming to the first resistance would be around 80 rupees. So 80 is going to be a very strong resistance. After 80 we have the 90. So what are the two resistances? So first one is 80. After that we have 90. So these are going to be the near term resistances, and support is only going to be the 60 rupees level. So afterwards, when it crosses the 80, 90, so you can expect 100 rupees. Okay, so these are the near term levels. Hope you have understood very well. So keep an eye on the market as well. So when market is unstable, obviously these type of stocks get manipulated easily and they go in the downside direction. So to keep your risk limited, so search to add in small portions, and if you're holding since the low levels, so keep averaging at the right levels. So money flow index is near 51. So almost from highly overbought, we have seen a very good downfall, and it is in the mid range. Okay. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me on Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.